Millions of people are taking collagen supplement worldwide, hoping to get tighter skin, getting rid of wrinkles, and also having a youthful appearance. But most of these people report that after using collagen, they have not seen any significant improvement. Well, the problem is not in your collagen, but you have to take collagen with this particular amino acid and this particular time, then only it works for you. Research shows collagen doesn't work in isolation. Your body actually needs other building blocks to support the collagen production and its maintenance. And there is a specific amino acid that nobody talks about that is the most critical piece for collagen to work in your body. And more importantly, most people take collagen at the wrong time of the day, and that again is the reason it doesn't work for them. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the exact collagen protocol that I use with my patients, and they're seeing amazing results with it. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. Now, before I share with you the 3 most common mistakes that people make while taking collagen and my exact collagen protocol that is going to make it work for you, I want to share a little bit about collagen. Most people think collagen is a beauty supplement that is only to improve your skin. But we have newer research which is available showing that collagen is not just about skin health, but in fact it improves several things in your body. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your human body. In fact, collagen makes up to 30% of the protein mass of your body. It is not only present in your skin, but also supports your gut lining, supports your tendons, your joints, your bones, as well as your hair health. Here's the most important thing you need to know today is that starting age 25, your body's collagen production starts decreasing by 1% every year. So by the time you have reached the age of 40, you have already lost 20% of collagen production from your body. And that's the reason we need external collagen to support our body's health. First of all, we need collagen for our joints. 60 to 70% of the cartilages around your joints is made up of our collagen. And that's the reason several people are having stiff joints or painful joints is because they have very less amount of collagen in their body. And by replacing this collagen, you can actually support your joint health. The second reason is to support your skin health. Without the collagen, your skin starts to lose its firmness. You start having more wrinkles as well as your skin starts to sag. And by replacing your collagen, you improve the firmness and the glow of your skin. Collagen also plays a very significant role in improving your gut lining. We know leaky gut is a major problem causing several health issues. And by supporting your gut lining, collagen improves your gut health. Plus, it is very important for your muscular health. And research shows when you combine exercising with taking collagen supplementation, you gain much more muscle mass than only doing exercising. So that's the reason collagen is not only a beauty supplement, it is actually supporting multiple different organs for your body. Well, the biggest question over here is not whether you should take a collagen supplement or not. But more importantly, the collagen supplement that you're taking is not working for your body. And these 3 common mistakes that you are making today, which is making this collagen supplement useless for you. And what is the right way of taking collagen supplementation so it can actually support your body in the right way. So let's get started. Let's talk about mistake number 1. The first mistake that people are making is the type of collagen supplement that you might be taking. There are 3 different types of collagen, type 1, 2 and 3. Your skin is made up of 80% of type 1 collagen. Most of the collagen supplementations do not mention the type of collagen they are giving to your body. The problem with the collagen peptides which are derived from the bovine source is that their molecular size is really big. What that means is that your gut can only absorb up to certain size of molecules from your gut. And when they are too big, your gut lining doesn't allow them to pass into your bloodstream. And that is what is happening with your bovine collagen. So what is the alternative? Using marine collagen. The marine collagen actually comes from fishes and has a smaller molecular weight. A 2021 research study published in journal Nutrients showed that consumption of marine collagen on the regular basis improved skin elasticity and also its firmness. While the research studies for bovine collagen specifically to improve your skin health is very poor. So that's the reason first go and look into your pantry and see what collagen peptides are in your collagen supplement you are using. And I can bet for most of you, it has to be the bovine collagen, and you need to replace it with marine collagen instead. So that's the first mistake. Now let's move on to the second one. The second mistake that nobody's talking about is this particular amino acid that you need to take along with collagen for it to actually work for your body. This amino acid is called glycine. Glycine is the most abundant amino acid in the collagen molecule. What research shows is that when your body doesn't have enough glycine amino acid, your body is not able to make new collagen inside. So all that collagen supplement that you are taking might not be assimilated into the muscle or into your skin without the glycine supplementation. When you take marine collagen, your body has the blueprint to make new collagen from it, but it is lacking a very important raw material, which is the glycine. So that's the reason glycine supplementation with collagen is very important. Otherwise, it doesn't really work. What is the dosage of glycine that you should be taking? Around 3 grams of glycine is what you need. That research study shows will be enough for your body to make up new collagen. And glycine supplements are easily available in any supplement store these days. But the next critical step is that when you should take this glycine with collagen for it to actually work in your body. And this is the mistake number 3. Now, this is about timing of taking the collagen supplementation. Most people are not aware that your body makes and repairs collagen during your deep sleep phase. So when you're taking your collagen supplementation in the morning, you do not get the maximum benefit for it. What happens in the nighttime is that once you go into the deep sleep phase, your body releases the human growth hormone. This growth hormone is a signal to your body to start making new collagen and also repair the old collagen in your body. Another interesting research study on glycine showed that taking 3 grams of glycine at bedtime improved your sleep quality significantly. Specifically, it helped people in going into the deep sleep phase of your sleep cycle. So that's the reason, again, more importantly, taking glycine along with collagen peptide at bedtime is the best time of doing it so that you get the maximum benefit of these collagen supplementations. So if you really want to improve your skin health, have anti-aging benefit, and also have all the health benefits of collagen, then first of all, you have to make sure you're using only marine collagen. Second of all, adding glycine a minimum of 3 grams is very important when you're taking a collagen supplementation. Take it at night time. The best time will be around 30 to 60 minutes before you go to bed. If you take this supplementation, that is going to work best in improving your skin health. Now, if you want to take this whole protocol to the next level, then there is a third ingredient you can add over here. The third ingredient over here is another supplement called astaxanthin. Now, astaxanthin is a natural carotenoid. That means it is a natural pigment which is present in nature. The pink color of wild salmon and flamingo is the astaxanthin. Now, a research study published in 2012 showed that astaxanthin acted as a protector of collagen in your body. Astaxanthin is a natural antioxidant, and one of its main role is actually protecting the damage which has been constantly happening to the collagen in the body. And this research study shows that regular consumption of astaxanthin was able to reduce the damage which was happening to the collagen in our body and safeguarding the collagen which was already present. So by taking glycine and collagen supplement, you are giving the new collagen to your body. But what about protecting the existing collagen of your body? This is where this astaxanthin supplement will be great addition to this protocol. The typical dosage of astaxanthin is around 4 to 5 milligrams per day, specifically to improve your skin health and your collagen levels. Now, if you've never heard of astaxanthin as a supplement, you can easily look up online, and it is typically available in soft gel capsules. So adding astaxanthin is going to take your collagen protocol to the next level. But in case you don't want to take astaxanthin, or if you don't find it, that is also fine. Just taking the marine collagen peptide with glycine at bedtime is definitely going to improve your skin health, going to get rid of those wrinkles, and also you are going to see tightening of your skin. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting these healthy tips in the future in your inbox too. Also share this information with others who might benefit from it. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.